This is an unboxing video of the PayPal Here chip and swipe reader. I recently started a new business and I needed to be able to take payments on location. So I ordered the PayPal Business Debit Card and the PayPal Here chip and card reader. And I wanted to do an unboxing video just to show you the contents that come in the packaging. I will link in the description box below the site needed to apply for the PayPal Debit MasterCard as well as the PayPal Here card and swipe reader. Inside you will find a master packaging slip that has my address, so it had to go really quickly. Important information. I suggest you read over all the information that PayPal has included. Here is my actual PayPal Here chip and swipe reader. It tells you that it's a chip and swipe reader. Now I take Visa, Master, Discover, and American Express. Inside of your boxing, you will find that you have some README instructions. They are very important. Now, I would suggest that you do read through these because they actually familiarize you with the use of your PayPal Here chip and card reader. Inside, it comes with a sticker that you can put on the door of your business, to let people know, hey, we take these methods of payment. And as well, it comes with a quick guide to help you set up and get familiar with your reader, and I would suggest you take the time to read through these as well. Inside you will find your PayPal reader, as well as they've provided you with a USB card to do your charging, but you must charge at least 2 hours before trying to operate it. I've charged mine for 2 hours and now I'm actually ready to start to set it up. The back cover is detachable. One side has a sticky tab that you can stick it to something, and the other tab you can just put it in your pocket and carry it with you as you go. Now I'm going to try to link it to my phone, which I found it relatively easy. First thing I must do is power it on. Once I power it on, you will notice a red indicator light comes on. Blinking means battery is low. Solid means your battery is fully charged. Now I'm going to go over on my phone. I'm not showing this by choice because this is my private banking information here. So when I do open my PayPal Here app, which I have downloaded to my phone previously, I'm able to go into my phone settings and PayPal is there, and I'm just easily click it, and wow, it was that simple. Now, my reader is connected. I do need to do a software update, but that's a whole nother video. Here you can see I can send invoices. I actually have a calculator back here on the back side, and I can set up my services I offer, making it a quick one click and submit for invoices. Now here you will see that my blue light is solid as well as my red light. The red light indicates that my battery is fully charged. The blue light indicates that I am connected to my cell phone. Now here I'm going to go onto my cell phone and I'm going to turn off my PayPal, and you will notice that my blue light will start to blink and let me know that I'm no longer connected to my phone. Just like that. PayPal does recommend when you're not using it to power it off. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and share.